Working with plants has taught me that a shocking amount of people are terrified of nature. No, I don't mean bears. I mean earthworms. I used to work with answering questions about plants and gardens, and every day I was so surprised at how completely disconnected people are from nature and how nature works. People would send me questions asking, what is this and how do I kill it? And I would have to answer them like, sir, that is an earthworm. It is good for your plants. Do not kill it, please. Or people would ask, how do I stop bumblebees from coming to my flowers? What? Oh, people would be super worried about every little brown spot on a plant. Like, have you seen plants in nature? They are not perfect. Some of my favorite questions were also like people sending pictures of shrub full of raspberries or something, and they would be like, are these edible? Haven't you seen a raspberry before? It's always good to make sure, if you don't know what you have in your garden, it's better to ask than putting something in your mouth that is not supposed to be there. Come on. You have eaten raspberries before in your life, haven't you? I actually miss that job. And I wouldn't say that I thought that people were stupid. I still don't think people are stupid. It's just that some people have lived in a city apartment their entire lives, and some people actually have never seen nature up close before. And I had lovely, lovely conversations, and it was so much fun seeing people starting their first gardens and helping them out with that. And that was always such a rewarding feeling. Just leave the bugs alone. Unless they are thrips and other pests. But leave the earthworms alone.